In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable private chat in Zoom meetings, either for all users in your account or just for a specific meeting. Whether you're a Zoom admin overseeing the settings for your entire company or just someone trying to manage a single meeting more effectively, understanding how to control chat settings is crucial for maintaining professionalism and focus during virtual gatherings. Let's begin by showing you how to disable private chat for all meetings, which you can do at an account or user level. First, sign in to the Zoom web portal. If you're an admin, you'll have more comprehensive control over these settings, but individual users can also make adjustments if permitted. Once logged in, navigate to Account Management. Here you'll either see Account Settings if you're managing multiple users, or just Settings if you're a single user. Now, direct your attention to the Meeting tab and head to the In Meeting, Basic section. In this section, if you wish to disable chat altogether for all users, you can simply turn off the meeting chat toggle. However, if your goal is specifically to prevent private messages between participants during meetings, locate the option labeled Meeting Chat, Direct Messages, or sometimes seen as Meeting Chat, Private Chat. Toggle this option off to disable private chatting, ensuring that participants can only communicate publicly if the chat is enabled at all. Don't forget to save your changes once you're done. For an added layer of security, you might consider locking this setting. Locking it ensures that these preferences cannot be altered by individual users, maintaining a consistent chat environment across all Zoom sessions under your account. Now, let's move on to handling chat settings within a specific meeting, granting you the ability to control chat access on the fly. Suppose you're already in a meeting and decide you need to manage chat interactions immediately. You can do this from within the meeting itself. Look at the toolbar and click on the Chat button to open the chat panel. In the chat panel, locate the More menu, represented by 3 dots, also known as the ellipsis. When you click on this menu, you have several options under Participants Can Chat With. If you want to disable chat for everyone in the meeting, simply select No One. This ensures that communication is entirely verbal or through other controlled means. Alternatively, if you wish to allow participants to communicate with hosts but want to prevent them from chatting privately amongst themselves, choose Host and Co-hosts. This restricts chat messages, so they are only sent to you and any co-hosts, maintaining oversight on all written communications. After you've selected your preferred option, close the chat panel and your chat restrictions are now in effect. Participants will be restricted according to the settings you've defined, helping keep your meetings focused and professional. With these simple steps, you now have the tools to control Zoom chat settings effectively.